What's up, guys? New day here at the shop. So we got everybody here right now. Mike's here, Rob's here doing some body work, Chad's here working on the front end. So watch this. Smell this coming along. That'll be good.
Before I plane these flat, I want to get my plate.
You think we'll fix this here? That's for the cold start injector. Down inside. This plate will fit here. Okay.
Yeah, industrial paint, super thick.
Yeah. So this is the top plenum Mike's making. Rob got the roof all done. Killer, super flat.
We got a weld quarter in it there on the outside.
Yeah. So we're gonna get the wheels off, roll these over. Just pulling the taillights out right now. You guys can see here. Rob's fixing this little corner here, making it look all good again, all fresh. I'm gonna weld this solid here and get rid of the antenna. So delete that, it'll look real nice. So I'll just get a piece of brass, put the piece of brass on the back side and fill this hole solid. That'll be bad to the bone. So I got this all flat too, you guys can see. Right, so door's coming along, just gotta pull the handle out, and yeah, she's gonna be on primer here in no time. Wife, hello. Gonna make a flange here for that, kind of like that. That's thick stuff, huh?
Oh, it's crazy.
Crazy. Industrial. That's 80 grit. Oh, look at this stuff.
car, right?
Yeah.
Like it's gonna be. This is hanging right low, so it looks like the tie rod's gonna hit right away, but it's literally gonna have all the weight.
Yeah,
It's gonna
straight
go up like
across.
that, and then it's gonna ride, right? So, I mean, my tie rod's gonna be right here, or my heim joint. It's gonna be right here, hooked to this. I'm just gonna steer all the way clear.
Dude.
Right? Look at that. It's like the video, bro.
Yeah.
Full on 90. Ooh.
Dang, look at that.
Hello.
That's the top plenum that Mike's making. For the Supra.
For the Supra.
Get everybody.
Angle, bro. Look at it. Oh, man. Oh, she's a reverse angle, kid boys. She literally goes the opposite direction.
Hey, reverse entry.
She goes right around.
That's it.
Yeah.
Does it go past?
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna go fast. Works.
So we might have to put weight on that side. She might go.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Sorry.
It's sharp there.
You guys put one wheel on.
Foot and a half spacer.
Just step on that.
Okay, I'm gonna grab that. Up a little bit.
Cool.
New pipes on them.
100 foot-pounds on the fingers.
Here, lift that up for a sec. You gotta lift it way up.
Oh, man.
Keep going.
Good
Yeah,
thing,
good enough.
good thing you go to the gym.
Yeah?
No, it's gotta be further out, Chad.
What? No,
Sit.
sit it down.
It ain't.
So you'll go till she can't go no more anyway.
Yeah.
That's big time difference. Oh, that's bent rim. Chad, we gotta get that fixed, Holmes.
Fix that.
Twice two times bent. It's got two bends in it.
So, max there.
Well, yeah, that's right.
Should set
We're getting into full.
set the rack on again. Let's paint it. Just paint it.
Huh? That's dry.
I still think this has to come up more.
Well,
Or it's gonna
yeah.
be like this.
Well, yeah. But you still, yeah, you're gonna get right there. That'd be good. Go back there.
Well, you can only go as far as the control arm, right? And I mean your upper, because that went right up against the upper control arm.
Yeah, but when I'm just saying that up, like how it goes way further up the control and then down.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
When it's actually up,
Yeah,
it's
100%.
way up here.
100%.
We'll make a quick fucking.
So it does have to get cut in there, though. We do have to do exactly where we thought we would.
What's that? Because we gotta go in another inch.
But I don't think it'll make it.
I don't think it'll ever make it there.
I think the rack's gonna.
We could just.
The rack will never make it there.
I think the rack's gonna bottom out first.
Let's just take this little piece off and lob it.
Let's set the fresh painted rack on and see if it fits.
Yeah, it's dry.
Oh shit.
No, we can redo it.
Stance boy. Yeah, he's gonna be stance boy.
Yeah, it should be all stand too.
Leave that on there? No.
Oh, I got tape in the way here, bro. Can't turn it.
Yeah, that won't go. The seal say no, man. Mike, get that tape there. Pass me your camera.
Huh?
Pass me your camera. The rack's really not that far from hooking in there right now. If it's not bottomed out on the other side, she might just fucking make her.
Well, it's gonna be back here too.
That's what I
It's not
mean.
gonna be that far out. It's actually gonna be in more.
Yeah, once you do.
Once I make that in. Do like that.
What are you going under with them? Or are you going on top of it?
Under.
Under.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yep.
We'll get into the old one for now.
Yeah. Just so we can see exactly. But oh man, she'll go.
It's like, man,
The rack
you
didn't
can put
stop.
You can put a piece of paper in there right now.
The rack
Plus
didn't
it's
stop.
gonna go.
Yeah, once it's, it'll try
Go
to
more?
push more once you're going. I can't, I'm up against it.
Yeah.
So, where's that trough?
That's wild.
I fucking hurt my back when I lifted that fucking rim. I don't know what I did. Take my breath away.
The rack will like
Yeah.
it though.
Huh? Chad don't care about the rack like that.
Okay. Fuck the rack
I wonder if the rack will like it though. Mike says, don't care.
Rocking like what? Be steering that far?
Yeah.
She's gonna fucking take it.
Yeah. It's got no choice at this point. Sucks to be you, rack.
So yeah, this is tire. That's tire, that's rim. Tire, rim. Where it wants to go.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nothing. You just cut a little triangle in and replate it.
Yeah, we'll
See you later.
just kind of go.
That's what I mean, just a triangle like that. And then I'd come, yeah, just a little further, just like that, Chad. That's literally all you got to do right there. And you'll have all the
Just
clearance in the
tie,
world, no
that's
matter
right.
how far your rack wants to go.
So exactly what I said when we started, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll just go in a little more even and make it straight.
That's what I said too. You literally just gotta cut
Because
a.
I'm just gonna put a cut in the bottom, a cut in the top.
No, you don't even
Jig
have to. You can cut that out, flip it, and put it in. It'll replate it,
Well, yeah, but it's just as easy to just cut it on the bottom, cut it on the top, put a split in the middle,
and then
punch
bend it in.
punch
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then just
yeah,
weld it along
yeah,
the seam. It's the easiest way.
yeah. You just
No-
flip it in.
Fucking fun.
Something like that. Alright guys, so we just pulled the mortar out. Show you what Mike's coming up with. So for the intake, you can see it's a 2-runner piece design. It's just sitting close right now, just to get an idea. But he'll have all the holes cut where he needs.
Not quite yet. Got most of the pieces all ready to go.
And then it's gonna kind of come out some. It's gonna look right dope. You just cap this off on an angle, or
Yeah, I'm
just-
just gonna
just
cut
box
a piece around here and cap it off.
should look some good. And then we're gonna do the exhaust side after too. Mike's gonna make a manifold. It's really nice, eh? I like that.
It has a nice finish.
Cool. Then Rob's getting ready. Now that he's got some room back here, he can actually work on this rear end. The rest of the bumper, you can see it's all just old paint, right? So get this all sanded just like the other side. I'll weld that up like I said earlier. Yeah.